Make no mistake, we are in a constitutional crisis. Over the weekend, Trump invoked the Alien Enemies Act of 1798 so that he could deport and accelerate deporting illegal immigrants in the United States. He has said that there is an invasion from the cartels and immigrants in this country and that we are at war with the cartels. He's using that as his basis for invoking this act. We are not at war. Only Congress has the ability to declare war. The president cannot declare war himself. So that in itself is not a valid basis for invoking this act. The last time it was invoked was in World War II, and that's when we put Japanese people into the internment camps. Not a great part of our history. Almost immediately after Trump invoked this act, a federal judge blocked it and put a restraining order from the administration from deporting immigrants using this act. But what happened? Trump still went and did it. The administration still put some of these people on flights under this act and deported them. They have ignored a judge's order. We are in a constitutional crisis. That's how we get there. When he ignores lawful court orders. Now, how is the judge going to enforce this? Well, he's called a hearing today at 4 p.m. with the Trump administration to see what they have to say about this. He's going to ask them some questions, and if he finds that they did, in fact, violate his court order, he will hold them in contempt. But what happens then? I mean, Trump has immunity, and he can pardon anyone. So how are they going to enforce this? See, the thing is, democracy works when the president believes in the Constitution and honors the Constitution. And we have a president now that does not believe in the Constitution and does not want to honor our Constitution. And that's where the problem lies. And on top of it all, he has even declared that the Biden pardons that he gave out right before he left office are not valid. He's trying to say Biden didn't know what he was doing, so they're not valid. So he's just making all this stuff up, doing whatever he wants. This is a constitutional crisis. As always, let me know your thoughts. Do you think we're in a constitutional crisis? What do you think will happen? Let me know in the comments. Like, share, and spread the word.